Hello, this is Brian Lysing with Financial Brokerage, and in this episode I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the future. Now, I don't have a crystal ball, but there are some things happening in the industry that I think allow us to get a good glimpse of what might be coming product-wise down the road for our clients. Earlier this week I read an article on the future of long-term care insurance. Now, I know we've seen a long decline in those sales. Premiums have been going up. The companies that sell it have been exiting the market, and they didn't price appropriately for the products that they were selling, and we've seen a rise in life insurance-based solutions. Well, this article leads me to believe that that trend is going to continue tremendously. So in the article, I saw that the NAIC, these are insurance commissioners and regulators, they've created this special panel called the Long-Term Care Innovations Subgroup. And these folks were charged with trying to develop better ways to help people pay for long-term care through products that combine long-term care with something else. Now, they've spent months holding conference calls and conducting in-person meetings with long-term care specialists, actuaries, insurance agent groups, and long-term care companies. Really a broad spectrum of folks that are involved and would have some input here. And they looked particularly at three different options, three different combinations. One was combining long-term care with some sort of retirement plan. Two was combining long-term care with a term or disability insurance policy, and three was expanding Medicare or the Medicare supplement plans to include greater long-term care benefits. And I can tell you that the overwhelming consensus from all of these people was that the solution that seemed to fit the best from all sorts of different perspectives was using a term insurance or a disability-based product to add the long-term care benefits on top of. Now, maybe this was a term policy that would morph into long-term care later on or already included the benefits. Well, here's the good news. I know the regulators are looking at this, finding ways to encourage this sort of thing, but it's already available. We mentioned earlier that we've got long-term care or chronic illness riders on permanent plans, but they also already exist on some term insurance policies. Now, they're a little less common than the permanent plans, but they are out there. You can get your clients a term life insurance policy that includes chronic illness benefits. It includes critical illness benefits in many cases. So be sure and look for those. If you don't know which companies those are, which products they are, give us a call and ask us. We can be reached at 800-475-5555.